Let us start a 20 pips challenge. First episode. Hello guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing alright. Kawan over here with another video, forex related, and in this video I'm gonna actually start a challenge, a series of videos trying to just extend my initial, let's say, deposit, whether it's demo, which in my case this one would be demo. So I'm gonna try to grow the account by let's say by an aggressive amount of, let's say, lot size, but then I would be using the fix 20 pips. So there is a kind of challenge going around, especially on YouTube. So I got it from a guy who I got this indicators from as well, from YouTube, and basically I'm trying to catch 20 pips, not more, not less. It can be slightly around it. It really doesn't matter, because obviously the longer, the trend goes to your favor, the longer you wait, so obviously you're gonna catch more pips. But what we're gonna do, we're just gonna aim for 20 pips as much as we can, and try to grow the account. So I got some spreadsheet from him where he says give you a plan going forward for your challenge. So depending on your starting balance, you're gonna put your start balance over here, and then let's say in 30 trades you're gonna turn your initial, let's say if it was $20 or pounds or euros, you're gonna get it all the way to, let's say, 52,000, again, dollar, euro, whatever. But again, in my case, because it's just paper account or paper money or demo or whatever we're gonna call it, I just go with 432. And then as you can see, it says percentage risk. That's where the aggression takes place. You're gonna risk 30% of your account, and it says percentage risk. And then over here it says you decide profit goal. So you're gonna aim for $6 initially, then it goes up, and then pips is 20 pips. That's why they call this challenge 20 pips challenge. And lot size as well, so obviously it's relative to risk percentage, determining the risk percentage by lot size. So we're gonna start with 0.03 all the way to 60 lot size, which is massive. So we will see what would happen, and along the way we try to improve our skills, and then obviously assess what we learn. In my case, what I learned so far, and then I go ahead with it. So this is the cheat sheet. You can get it from him. You kind of can't, YouTube doesn't even find out. I don't want to just name the person and his YouTube channel. Anyway, so that's out of the way. We're gonna start with 0.03. Let's see. But in my case, because I'm gonna just have my own tweak, so I decide to, let's say, so if I go like 0.0 to this one, 0.0 to this one, 0.0 to this one, that's gonna take us to, okay, so I'm gonna go with 3 pairs if I want. Okay, so it's a bit tricky, so I try to divide the percentage, like lot size, between multiple pairs over here. Let's see. So I'm gonna have my own tweak. Let's see what will happen. So I'm gonna aim, the main aim is to grow this account. So we will see what will happen. I may end up risking more because I would have more pairs. So if I stick with the rule, let's say for first patch of trade, so I'm gonna aim for 0.03, and then if I be successful and then win, so I will see my account grows, and then I could aim for more. Let's see what will happen. or I could say okay 0.0101 per pair. Let's see. I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna use 3 pairs for now. Okay, over here I always say we have to pay attention to the longer time frame. That's what I learned. And then longer time frame we're gonna see is uptrend. So that's it. And then we have these moving average and this indicator telling us obviously it broke the moving average going for upward. This is as well indicating going upward, all green over here facing upward. And but this hidden bearish is not going to determine what will happen in our case, because we're not gonna catch tons of pips, guys. Remember, we just want to catch 20 pips. So that's why we limit our trade. That's the way I'm doing. So I might be wrong, I might be right, but I'm gonna try it. So each candle represents an hour. So in an hour you could catch more than 20 pips. So that's not what we're looking for, but still in an hour time you see is uptrend going up. A bit of bearish we had over here, but overall we see based on moving average and based on this indicator as well, and based on longer time frame we see is overall going upward. So great opportunity to buy. So if I go to 1 minute time frame, we will see more stuff where we can aim for 20 pips, 15 pips, 20 pips easily, because each candlestick would be 1 minute. So 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 10 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes, 10 minutes. So this is like 10 minutes here. So let's say if I was gonna place this order here, and then if I would have placed here, let's say how many pips I would catch if I just delete this one, to give you an idea how many pips I would catch. This is the way I want to try it. I know it might be wrong or right, I'm not talking about that, but I want to try it. So this is like 10 pips here if it's gonna slightly touch it over here. So how long will it take? So again, each candlestick is 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So it would take us 41 minutes to catch 10 pips. So we know it might take that long in an average, maybe. So we're gonna base on minutes, under an hour maybe, or around an hour, to expect what we say, what we're gonna do to catch. But the whole thing is to be as accurate as possible, whether you're saying price goes up and then price actually go up in, let's say, an hour time or 2 hours time. That's what we're doing as trader. That's it. So we don't care really how long will it take, but what we care is whether to buy at the right time or to sell at the right time. But that's it, guys. I'm gonna place buy and then try to catch, let's say, 20 pips. So what I'm gonna do, go here, long position, and then maybe take this all the way to maybe on the moving average, slightly below moving average as well, maybe 15 pips. And then I know it's a bit crazy, but we try to aim. That's the way I want to try. Anyway, this is my channel, this is me trying to my way, doing my way. So I'm gonna wipe this up. It's on demo account, nothing would happen, but we're gonna gain some experience. So maybe widen this further. We also have noticed over here, it says hidden bullish, multiple hidden bullish. Forget about tiny bearish, going down, because overall we're in uptrend, so price goes up. So we aim for 20 pips again, 20, okay, whatever that is. So we're gonna go to MT4, and then the pair is Great British Pound USD. So I go to Great British Pound USD, this one, and then place the order. So what was it? 39813, 39813, 39813, and then stop loss was 39461, 39461, 39461, 39461. And then again, remember for the lot size, because that says that's per trade. So per trade you're gonna raise 3% obviously in this case, like 0.03, which is like 3%. What I'm gonna do, because I'm having two 3 pairs, I'm gonna just do one, and I'm gonna buy, and that's it. Now we'll see what will happen. That's the first one. For second pair, what else we have here? So we have USD JPY. Let's check it out, what we see. Again, I check 4 hours maximum, because again, we're not gonna aim for tons of pips. All we care is to catch 20 pips. So over here, what I can see, so if I drag this, so I can see price dropping over here. I could say if I go to 1 time, or let's say 2 hours time frame is in between, so we'll see what is going on with the price. We have a hidden bearish over here, hidden bullish over here, and it's a bit tricky, this one. Obviously price is dropping. Price is dropping. Again, each candlestick represents 2 hours, so we would say price is dropping in this case. An hour as well. In an hour time frame, just hidden this one. Another time frame as well, price is dropping, but then price is dropping there. If I go to 1 minute time frame now, see what we have here. The reason I'm relying on this indicator, obviously guys, because I've seen it at past time and time. I could have, let's say, won trades relying on this hidden indicators. Over here we see a minor uptrend over here going on. Higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, and so we could, if I go to the moving average as well, check the moving average. So price is above moving average, telling us price could go up for this time frame again, which is fine for us because we're not after massive pips, remember guys. So what I'm gonna do again, place a buy based on what I learned. So we'll try. I might be wrong, but we will try. So again, aiming for maybe 20 pips. We have hidden bullish here as well. So this hidden bullish indicator comes handy, confirming longer range, bigger move, which we need in order to consider 20 pips, because 20 pips is not easy to get. So I am 20 pips. What about our stop loss? So we see the lowest price came down was here, so we may aim. I know it's crazy, but again, this is me, the way I do it. I don't care about the risk reward ratio here. All I care is to be as accurate as possible, predicting the price, whether go up, stay up, whether go down, stay down. So I'm gonna even do this 15 pips, even safer, or 16. While we aim for 20 pips, we're gonna raise 16 pips, and then we're gonna have it as wide as this much, and then we're gonna enter the trade for this one. Okay, so USD JPY, this one, and then open the trade. What we're gonna do, we're gonna buy as well. So 110.025, 110.025 would be our 110.025. Our take profit, and the stop loss would be 109.665, 109.665. 665 would be our stop loss. And last size, remember guys, this is the second pair, so we're gonna just stay with 0.01 and then buy. That's about this one as well. And while we have the third one, which is the last one for our first phase, patch of trades, over here what we have is New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. So if we go back to maybe 4 hours time frame, again, it's just for more kind of peace in mind, I go all the way back to 4 hours. Again, in 4 hour time is uptrend. We see some hidden bearish over here, but again, because this is way long time frame, which it just not really determining what we're gonna do, buy or sell. So because we want to catch 20 pips, we don't confirm, we don't finish it just by relying on 4 hours. Again, in 2 hours time frame, we have bullish, hidden bullish, price going up, but then it's under the moving average. So we're gonna go to 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, we see it came up, bounced back from moving average, bounced back. So that might be, I would say, let's see at past what has happened. So came here numerous times, touch this moving average, bounce back, touch this, bounce back. So we see price open. It couldn't really go above the moving average, could it? So I would say it's better to keep it under the moving average. In this case, let's see. Maybe keep it under moving average, because if I go as well, we have a hidden ratio as well, and hidden bearish. If I go to 2 hours, we have a hidden bullish over here, so we can buy here and then aim for, let's say, go to 1 minute. Well, again, in our time frame, target is hidden bullish, so price will likely go up for as much as we could aim for 20 pips. So if I buy again here, if you notice, all of the trades been buying, so we didn't have any selling, but then we'll try to see what will happen. So we aim for 20, and then our stop loss would be 16. Yeah, so we're gonna aim for this one, and then maybe drag this again all the way back. Now what we have over here is like the third one, which is New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. So we're going to go on interest. Our trade profit would be 76.995. 76.995. This one 76.995. 995. Our take profit, and then stop loss would be stop loss would be 76,632. 76,632. 632 our stop loss, and we're gonna buy. It says it's not enough money. Wow. So it says not enough money. I don't know why not enough money for that lot size. Anyway, so I'm gonna just leave it over here. Oh, we did it. Okay, so we have 3 trades placed over here. Obviously 2 of them are in negative, but again, we aim for longer hours, like for maybe 2 hours or an hour or something. So I will update you once they finish, and then we'll see what we've done. And then my analyze of the charts, and then using those indicators, and then we'll see if we were right or no. And then that was the first episode of my 20 pips challenge, and then I will update you as soon as I get the results, which would be in a few hours time, and then we get it from there. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please guys consider subscribing to my channel, activate the bell, and I will see you in next one. Have a nice time, and then bye.